Everyone. Hope you're doing wonderfully good. Welcome to the session. My name is Sharath, and today I'm connecting with you all to explain the free internship program that we are launching for everyone to public. So, if you are a student, if you are a working professional, and if you want to try to upskill yourself into this wonderful work of data or data related jobs, right? These are the most in demand job roles right now. So if you want to get involved into this exciting job roles, then this is the place. You'll have to kickstart your career with having some experience under your belly. Now that experience is not easy unless until you show your experience, you'll not get a job. Unless until you have a job, you'll not get experience. This is a biggest hurdle for everyone or anyone in the industry, especially for the budding students who want to come into the industry. So in order to fill in this particular gap, we are trying to bring in this CSR program to help the community in order to ensure that the young blood can be given that support, which can put them into the right direction and probably kickstart their wonderful careers. Now, let me congratulate you first. If you are already have chosen the interest as data or data science or data related job roles, then you are in the right path. Congratulations. But there is a challenge here. You might probably completed your training. You might have done your training in some professional coaching centers. You might have taken some post-graduation courses. You might have completed your graduation courses in the space of data or data analytics or data science related areas. For all you people, there is a big challenge that is the practical exposure. You're trained, but you're not able to crack the interview because of that lack of practical exposure. This is where we come. We are offering this free internship program, provided you're already familiar with the data science, data analytics, or machine learning related concepts. That is the only prerequisite here. You need to be familiar with machine learning concepts, data science concepts in order to do this free internship, because we are going to focus on the deployment aspects of the machine learning models. Theoretically, you might have talked about a lot of things in this space, but have you practically implemented this? If not, then you're in the right place again. This program would be a 30-day duration program, and this 30-day duration is also broken down into 2 phases. Now, this program that we are launching is actually tried and tested on many of our students. You can go and verify our website, 360DigiTMG, right? And you can see the success stories. It's a lazy loader. The website loads slowly. So this is the career transitions. There are a lot of success stories that you might want to go through and get inspired. People coming from different domains, non-IT background, non-programming background, they transformed. Now that is an inspiration for a majority of the people. That is an inspiration for me. You can read the success stories. You can download the PDF version of the document, and all of our alumni are placed in big companies, man companies, and right, the top 5 companies, Deloitte, Infosys, you can talk about TCS, right? HCL, Capgemini. You can see all those names here, right? This should motivate you all in order to try and take up this exciting job role of data and data science. All right. You can also go through their success stories. You can directly hear from them on our YouTube channel. We keep conducting the success stories, friends. You can go through this YouTube channel, right? And here you can see success stories. Every week we try to conduct these success stories based on our alumni's availability. If they are available, we invite them to connect with us and share their experiences. You'll come to know how did they prepare, what were the kind of questions they were asked in the interviews, what helped them to crack the interview, so on and so forth. Now, you will have a very good opportunity to upskill yourself by taking their experience into consideration. You might want to subscribe to the channel and right, get all the latest of the updates. And it's not just the success stories. You can see so much of relevant content is available on the website. Model deployment, you can see this is me, my videos there. You can register and get through all these exciting content. Machine learning on cloud, right? So try and upskill yourself by going through the videos. You might want to subscribe. Now, the projects that you are going to work on, right? These are the exciting projects. This is an AI solution, which is real-time identifying on the work that is happening in an industry. An employee is working and we are trying to identify if the work is happening in the right manner. Right? So there are these screws which have to be fitted in the right order. And the AI engine that we developed is trying to identify whether it is correctly fitted or not. Look at this. This is the steel bar counting. Right? Object detection models. It's not just detecting, but it is also counting. Now, humanly, it is not going to be that easy to count these bars, isn't it? TMT steel bars. So our model is quickly doing that count and storing the record, the total count on the database. It's not just counting the number of steel bars, but it is also counting on the width, the size of the steel bar. There are very, very interesting projects that we work on. Look at that. This is in a poultry, and we are trying to measure the healthy chick versus non-healthy chick. We're also trying to capture the chick's body temperature and what is the week, right? The week of its birth. I mean, the growth rate is something that we are trying to capture. So on and so forth. There are so many other projects. Here we are trying to understand the eggs. This is also a similar project. Along with the birds' health, we are also trying to build the project with respect to the location. Right, look at this. This is the egg count. So as the eggs move on the conveyor belt, we will be counting the number of eggs. We're also classifying what kind of eggs it is. White egg, brown eggs, right? So all these things can be done. We have a lot of these kind of exciting projects that you can be part of. Now, my name is Sharath, and I am one of the directors with Innodatatics. All the projects that you have seen right now, our team works on these kind of projects, exciting projects, and it is not just the training part that you'll have to really look at. It is most importantly the delivery part that you'll have to focus on. And industry is focusing on this. Now, this CSR program, which you will be part of, will basically be classified into 30 days internship program. I know a lot of people have already completed your training in machine learning, but you will be having a 20 days training period in total 30 days. In that 20 days training duration, you will be given the content, YouTube live, YouTube videos. One will be at morning 6 a.m., the 12 p.m., and then evening 6 p.m. 3 slots you will have videos shared with you. The first one is revision. The last one, first and second one would be revision for you. But the last one is a deployment related videos, the 6 p.m. one, which you have to focus more on. And after you prepare on this, in the evening at 9 p.m., you will be having a quiz. This quiz happens on our LinkedIn page. So you would have to go through our LinkedIn page as well. This is our LinkedIn page. You'll have to register for the LinkedIn page. And then you will have to take part in the quiz that is conducted in the evening 6 p.m. Your answers have to come in as comments. It is not an MCQ that we are going to do. It is a descriptive solution that we will be requiring. So you'll have to write in comments. This shows your readiness for the program. And after your preparation, the last 10 days, you will be rigorously working on deploying a machine learning solution along with one of our mentor. So we have our MLOps expert, machine learning operations expert, who would be guiding you on how to do the deployment. We will be discussing in detail about the project that you are going to work on in that particular 10 days. Now, the time begins for you to register and start preparing. You would be receiving a link, a Google Form link. You will have to register your details on the Google Form link. And you'll also have to share a screenshot stating that you are already familiar with your machine learning and data science related concepts. If you are very new to the concepts, then you might want to enroll to the other program that we are launching, which happens on a different weekday. Friday, you can connect and you will be given the details about the other program where you might want to participate right from the word go of how do we train a model as well. Not just deploying, but you'll also want to train the algorithm. So if you are new, join the other program. If you're already familiar, join this program. Now let me take up your questions. As I mentioned, you will have to fill up a Google form. Okay, the form will be shared with you. You will have to fill up the Google form. The message will be there in your chat window. You might want to go through the link, fill up your details, and that's how you register. Do we have any other questions, friends? You might want to ask your questions. Please go ahead. Whether you are a working professional or you are a fresher, or if you are already a student studying somewhere, immaterial of that, you'll have to take out time to complete the task that would be assigned to you. So this is a project. This is for your career. You cannot be in a comfort zone, say that, okay, I am working professional, I'll take my own sweet time to complete. That doesn't work out. You will have to spend time. You'll have to plan your day in such a way that you complete the given tasks. And trust me, if you spend 1 hour, max 2 hours, you should be able to finish the task given. And you're already, the requirement is that you're already familiar with your data science or machine learning concepts, right? So maximum 1 to 2 hours you should be able to figure out. This is purely a deployment solution of machine learning solutions, friends, machine learning models. So we will be doing predictive analytics based solution deployments. If you are familiar with those concepts, then yes, you can join. This is not for beginners. Beginners, you will have the internship or the program on a different weekday. The program that we run on Fridays would be more suitable for beginners. And one more thing, friends, you will have certification after the successful completion of your project work. And we do not charge anything, even for certification, absolutely free, friends. Please mind that. If anybody is asking for any money, please do not entertain for this particular certification program or internship program, which is completely a free program. So please register for the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group link will be shared in the chat. Once you join the WhatsApp group, you will be seeing the Google form. You can take the Google form and fill up your details and continue your program. Okay, any relevant questions, please? So please bring up your relevant questions, friends. Stay focused on the concepts that we are discussing, the points that we are discussing. I will be happy to answer your questions. We will be discussing about different platforms. By the time when you join the 10-day duration, we will be talking about the deployment tools. We will be discussing about Python libraries. We will be deploying the model in using Python libraries only. And right, it will be either Flask, it will be Streamlit, it would be Fast API. These are the very popular deployment tools that we can use. Please fill up the Google form. Go through the Google form. There will be specific questions. Reading is also a very important requirement to get the jobs. Reading and understanding the details are important, friends. The instructions on what to fill in the Google form, you will be able to understand when you read the questions in that. We need a screenshot of some proof stating that you have already completed your machine learning training or data science related training. That is the only prerequisite that we require, nothing else. We need to know that you are already familiar with data science concepts, because the program, the internship program that we are doing is for people who are familiar with it. We will only be focusing on deployment related activities. For that reason, you should be completing your machine learning concepts. You should be familiar with those to understand what we are doing. The program will be starting from tomorrow. If you're registered into the WhatsApp group, you will be given the links in the WhatsApp group with respect to the learning videos. Start your journey, practice. You might already be familiar with these concepts, but repeat. Revision is very good. Practice and try to take up the quiz questions. Right? Take the exam on the LinkedIn. That way your preparation would be more robust. And post that, we will be working on the actual hands-on. Now, once the program begins, once the project begins, after the 20 days initial duration, we will be explaining on what exactly is the task that you will be doing. So when we start, we will be having another detailed meeting like this, and we will be discussing in detail on what are the concepts that you should actually be focusing on. It's too early. Focus on the immediate things. Try to do the revision, enroll, register into the WhatsApp group, and start following the recorded videos or YouTube videos that will be shared with you. Okay, see, please focus on what we are discussing, friends. My points are very, very clear. Don't get diversified. We are not talking about a lot of things here. My point is, you would be doing the deployment of a machine learning model that our team has already developed. So you'll be learning on how to deploy the model using Python. To start with, you will be doing it on your local machine. Right? This is a CSR program, and this program is designed for filling up the gap for those people who are not familiar with the deployment activities at all. If you're already familiar with the deployment activities, and if you are familiarized with these concepts, then also I would recommend you take participation into this project, get the certification, and showcase your skills so that we can guide you further on how do you take that knowledge to next level. That would be an offline discussion in this, but you'll have to showcase your skills. Okay, any other? Hope that I've answered. Okay, I've answered the questions. You will have to probably take around 1 to 2 hours of time to accomplish the tasks that have been assigned to you. We will be following strict timelines and guidelines, and that way we will be able to accomplish the tasks within the stipulated time. We cannot extend. We should not be extending. Right? Timelines are something that we'll have to adhere to. So the program is designed in such a way that you should complete. You will be able to complete the entire the internship tasks within the 30 days duration that is assigned. All right, so we will start our journey. Once again, I'm repeating, register into the WhatsApp group. Once you are there in the WhatsApp group, you will be given a Google form. You can take the Google form and then fill up your details so that you can register for the program. And I'm looking forward to meet you all after 20 days to kickstart the hands-on as well. So looking forward once again, friends, thank you so much. And we shall connect and work together. Good luck, friends. Thank you.